So the big question that you're asking now is, how do you send out the right messages using the app? So I've shown you how to go through the app. We've shown you how that works, how to set up your settings, how to create those custom messages, etc., etc., and also how to track them using the target tab specifically. Now, when you start engaging with people, there's a specific technique that we teach. And you can read all about this technique on the maj3.com website, maj3.com website, and read my ebook. You don't even have to fill out a form to read it. It's completely free. It's called The Captivating One-Liner. It's going to take you about 20 minutes to 30 minutes to read. Now, what it does is it's going to teach you how to write the message using a specific captivating one-liner to grab their attention. It's extremely powerful, and it's going to make or break the success of your messages and this whole process. So take a look at the ebook, and then once you've done that, the way that you craft your messages is so simple, because all you're going to do in your invitation message is you're going to go out to somebody and you're going to say, hi, use their first name. Here is my latest eye-opening article for your particular industry, and mention their industry. That's all you have to go out with. Now you're telling that individual that you have written specifically for their industry and you understand their pain. This is the power of the captivating one-liner. Once they then accept your invitation on LinkedIn, you're then going to create an acceptance message. And I showed you how to do that in previous tutorials. Remember, you have an acceptance message. So if you go under settings and you look at your invitation message, here's your acceptance message here. What you're going to do is in that acceptance message, you're going to put a link to the article that you write using that captivating one-liner. This is where the power comes in. And all you need to do is say, as promised, here is a link to that article. And it'll look amazing, especially if you design it yourself or get us to design it for you. Or even if you just write the article on LinkedIn, it'll still actually look pretty good if you use a nice image. But when you reach out to them, you are showing them that you have got credibility and you have a reputation in their industry, so they can trust you. The other thing this link is going to do when you send it, and I'm going to show you how to do this in a later tutorial, is it's going to create a tracking link. This is actually a tracking link so we can see whether or not they've clicked on it. But for now, read the ebook, and when you start to craft your acceptance message, and we're going to do the same in custom messages later, what you're going to do is you're literally going to go out and saying, all I'd like you to do is please take a look at this article that I've just written. And you can read how I did it here. It's really that simple. Create a captivating one-liner, write an article, use the app to send it out because it'll create a tracking link, and you've now just sent a beautiful acceptance message proving to the other person that you're a credible individual, you have credibility and reputation, and also it's soft selling. You're not spamming them with a product or service. Trust me, they've seen your LinkedIn profile. They know what you do. You do not have to hard sell them. What you want to do is just send a really nice, insightful article to them with a captivating one-liner that gets them to click.